Do you want to know about a new website where you can get paid instantly when you earn money online for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I love testing new methods, and I recently came across this platform here, so I decided to give it a go. And in this CashYeah review, I will give you an inside look and show exactly how it works. I will also show you payment proof so you can see that it actually does pay. I'll explain both the pros and the cons so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join and how you can sign up, because you can actually also get a joining bonus if you sign up. So I'll just show you how to do that. But first of all, it is a website that's completely free to join, and you can join it from basically all countries. Just be aware that how it is with sites like this in general, how much you can earn, which earning opportunities that are available will of course depend on the country you live in. We'll talk a little bit more about the overall earning potential a little bit later. When it comes to signing up, it's super easy and fast, and if you use my invitation code, you will also be able to claim a joining bonus. So I'll just show you how to actually do that here now, so you know exactly what to do once you sign up. And I will also leave my link below, so that code should be automatically applied. So when you want to sign up, you can just go to register. Again, I'll leave my link below there. You can just create your nickname, password, all these regular things, or you can also register via Google, Discord, or Steam. So I'll just create a brand new account to show you exactly how it would work with this bonus once you join. So once you have joined, then you can see there's this small little gift icon up here. So you can see there's a number there, and that means that there's something you can claim. So this is where you can then get the joining bonus if you use an invitation code. And you can see here, it is automatically applied. It's paid from surveys, and this will automatically be there if you join through the link in the description there. In case it's not there, you can just write it manually there. But then once you do that, then you can claim here your free gift. And you can see then you can choose one, and it's kind of random what reward you will get there, but you can just click, let's say I'll click this one here, and then you can see then here it would have been, or I will get like now 120% earnings. So basically I will receive double gems for the next 24 hours. So that's a really good, extra bonus you can get. Sometimes it can also be, as you can see, gems there. So that's the point. So that's basically like free money you can get that is just added to your account right away. And sometimes another bonus you can get is like free withdrawal. So that means that there's certain of these methods here you can just withdraw then without a fee. So these are the bonuses you can get there. So this is how it would work. You just need to remember that's that little gift icon there you need to click to be able to claim your joining bonus. You will also be able to get additional gifts when you are active, because just by being active you will eventually get higher ranks, and then you will also be able to click and get these gifts here when you are promoted to a higher rank. So just be aware that the first one you get completely free easily there just by joining through my invitation link using my code there, and then after that you just need to be active, and then once in a while you will be able to claim another free gift. But let me now log in to my old account where I have actually spent some time there, so I have earned some money there, so I can also show you how to withdraw. So I'm now inside the members area here where I have already earned. You can see I have just about $25 here. I'll show you how to withdraw a little bit later and also show payment proof. Let's start by going over how you can earn, because once you're inside, they describe it quite easily here. I do like overall the design here. It is quite user friendly compared to many other get paid to sites, but you see you just choose a task, you complete it, and then you can of course withdraw different rewards. So that's the overall idea, but you can scroll down here and you can see, for example, these featured offers. So paid offers, you can see you can sort them if you want to sort by device there. You can find like if it's just gaming offers, if it's like to download apps, or if it's just service you want to do, or just see others. So you can just see all of them. So you would always need to click to actually see what it is. Like this one, for example, here I could earn $28, so you would need to click it, read the exact conditions, because one like this here is a game you need to download, you need to play it, reach certain levels. When you reach these levels here, you can see how much you would actually earn. So you need to always read it, the exact conditions. Once you live up to them, then you will get the different rewards. Just be aware that when you take either paid service or paid offers on a get paid to site in general, if you have an ad blocker, well then they won't be able to necessarily track it, so then you can't actually get paid. So make sure to turn that off. But other than that, you can see they have a lot of offers here, and also they have some quite high paying ones. In general, I would say it's a little bit above average compared to many other get paid to sites, and I've tested hundreds of different get paid to sites. So these are like the featured offers, the ones that they kind of think that are some of the best. But you can also go down and find the regular offer walls if you used a get paid to site before. So there are plenty of different paid offers here. Again, like there will be paid service on them. There will be games you can download, games you can play. You know, some of them even have like time where ads you can click. There will be videos you can watch to earn. You just need to choose wisely and look at, okay, what is required time wise in relationship to the money you get for it, because some give really good earnings for your time, others give really low. That's just how it is with offer walls in general, but it definitely has quite a good number of different offer walls, so you won't just quickly run out of offers for sure. And also then you can scroll down here and you can see the surveys. You can also find surveys on the offer walls, but they also do have specific survey providers here. You can click and just take paid surveys. You just need to take a qualifying survey there or answer some few questions and see if you qualify for the service. It works like any other paid service site or get paid to site. Again, the rewards for the service here, I say they are quite decent, definitely. So definitely also a good way to earn some money here inside CashYeah. And they even also have some social tasks here, but it's very simple. Most of them are like a one-time thing. So it's like, for example, follow them on different social media accounts, and then you will get some extra points for that. So this one is like super easy, fast, small tasks that you can quickly do. There's also one more way where you can earn by inviting others. So let's just talk a little bit more about that also before we go over how you can get paid and overall earning potential. So if you go to your profile, then you can see there's something called affiliates, and this is where you need to go if you want to earn by inviting other people also. At least that's where it is located at the moment of recording this video. It is still a fairly new website there, so there will likely be some changes, some optimizations. I know they are working on doing different optimizations like that, so just be aware of that, but that is where it's currently located. So this means that you can actually earn by inviting other people. So if you like it, once you tried it, you can, again, just go here. You can get a link, you can get a referral code. This is also mine, the one that I shared earlier there. And if people use that code when they sign up, they will get this joining bonus that I talked about earlier, and you will also earn 5% commission when they complete offers or take paid surveys. They will earn the same, so their earnings will not be affected. This is paid by CashYeah to thank you for inviting others. So that also means if you use my invitation code, you'll both get this joining bonus and you will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that support. But you can then also do that. If you're a member there, you can invite others. If you think it's great and want to share it with others, then you can earn extra by doing this also. But let's now jump to how you can get paid, and I will also show you that I actually cash out while I am inside here. So I have now jumped to the payout section here, and you can see these are the current rewards here. You can also choose up here, with the different countries there. There might be some different gift cards, for example, depending on the country you are located in, and also again, this can change from time to time or so, but currently globally here where I am there, this is what I can get paid in. So it's cash. You can get paid via PayPal Cash. I do like that there. You can also get paid via cryptocurrencies, and you can also see there's some skins there, and there's also gift cards. So I really do like the selection there that you can choose gift cards, cash or crypto. In my opinion, that's a perfect combination when it comes to payout options. But let's also talk about the threshold. How much do you need to earn to actually get paid? And they do have that written very clearly in the help section there. Say, for example, for PayPal, you need to earn 5,000 gems. That is $5. So that means that the gems you earn, the points like 1,000 is worth $1 there. For Litecoin, cryptocurrency there, it's only $1. For Bitcoin, also only $1. And for gift cards in general, it is $5. So overall, a very low payout threshold. And especially if you want to get paid in crypto, it really does not take long to reach the payout threshold. And even PayPal also $5. Depending on your country, we'll talk about the overall earning potential a little bit later. Then definitely also something that can be achieved quite quickly. But then I'll just go back here for the purpose of this video here. I will choose to get paid via PayPal. So you just click this, and then you can see that I would just choose maximum here and then write my PayPal email address. And of course, I'll just blur this out for privacy reasons. And once you put it there, you just need to click to withdraw gems. You can see the gems I have, the amount there, and then you can see the equivalent. So it's just above $24 there. So then I just need to claim withdraw gems by clicking this green button. And you see then it just, in this case here, says it's queued, and then I will get an email there or from PayPal there once they have approved it there. And in general, they pay very quickly, more or less instantly. But of course, when it's the first time you cash out, then sometimes there can be an extra verification. Sometimes also they just need to do extra verification. That's very completely, perfectly normal for Get Paid to site because they do see a lot of fraud. But overall, if you just do everything honestly, then once your account has been approved, everything, you can get paid basically instantly once you withdraw. And I will also show a screenshot here of the email I get from PayPal, so you can see the money did go into my account there. I will also write exactly how long it took for me to get the money. But let's now talk about the overall earning potential of CashYeah. So how much can you then earn from CashYeah? Well, that of course depends a lot on the exact offers you take, the exact surveys, and very much also the country you live in. In some countries, it will be super fast to reach the payout threshold for PayPal for $5, and even some of the offers you can see, like they pay more than $20, more than $50 even. So if you take some of those, then it definitely does not take long. But overall, I would say, like in the countries where you have the most opportunities, yes, it's definitely realistic on some days to earn somewhere between $5 and $20 on particular days. If you complete one of the higher paying offers, then it can be a lot more. But in other countries, you will struggle to make just $1 or $2 because in some countries there are just not a lot of paid surveys, for example, and so many high paid offers. That's just how it is and Get Paid to site. And do not try to fake your country because, of course, all sites like this, they know that people sometimes try to do that, and that's fraud. It's basically like stealing. It's an unethical way to make money, and they'll find out anyways, and you'll just get kicked out and not get paid. So do things honestly. The reality is just in some countries, yes, you can make some nice extra money on the site. In others, you can still earn, you can still find some opportunities here, but of course it will take more patience and more effort. But overall, I would say the earning potential is definitely above average for a Get Paid to site compared to the hundreds of other I have tested. So if you're looking for another great free earning method, then you can definitely check this one out. I'll leave my invitation link below also, and then you can use that to claim this free joining bonus there. And also, if this video has helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.